If you've got a trailer and it does not already have these tie down pockets, stake pockets, where you can put some D-ring stake holders in here. If you don't have those already on your trailer, then no big deal. You can add them. And they sell these ready to be welded. You're gonna have to weld them on because they're just raw steel. And this comes in a set of 8. So I was sent these and asked to give my opinion on them and make this short video. So they're already pre-bent for you. It's just a flat piece of steel. It's about 3/8 inch thickness. It all feels pretty good. And it's a direct match to what I already have on this trailer already. If I put that one there, you can see what I mean by that. And in some cases, you may have had a trailer where these were installed a little too low. And so when you try to put your stake pockets in with your D-rings, they don't reach the top here. And you've got a problem with that. So you may need to mount some new ones. In my case, I am going to mount a couple. For some of the equipment and 4x4s that I tie up to this trailer, it's real convenient if I could put my pocket D-rings right in here. So I'm going to mount this one here a little bit higher on this corner and on the other side as well. So yeah, really good quality. It's just a hunk of steel, nice and heavy. Whole package comes quite heavy. Give you some instructions there, show you a picture of what it looks like with a D-ring stake pocket in there. And that's how that works. So hey, I hope this was helpful. Learn a little bit more about these stake pockets that you can weld to your trailer. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.